Okay, this is probably one of the worst videos that I have ever made, and it's just terrible. The camera's all over the place, the picture's blurry, lighting was all screwed up. I needed two hands trying to do a two-hand job with one, and disgrace. Watch, you'll see. Okay, we're gonna fix the phone in this video. We'll unplug the sump pump. We don't need that. Plug in the light. There we go. Now we can see what we're doing here. The problem I had was there was a short in this wire right here, right at where it was crimped. So I'm going to cut that off, and we're going to recrimp a new one on. And over here I have a box of crimping tools and phone jacks network cords, as you can see right on the box. And I gotta find the right tool. I think this one's it. Yeah, that's the one, because this one is for network. Okay. Nope, those aren't it. Phone cords. Oh, there you go. We got our old classic phone cord. Ooh, retro. Man, can you imagine having a phone with this on there? Wow. Old style. If you have your nice retro girly phone. And a whole bunch of other junk. Here we are. These should be the right ones. Oh, wow. You could start a phone company with all these. You're a pretty small phone company, but you could start a phone company. Alright, so I'm going to take one of these. But before I do that, I have to cut the old one off. Now this little crimpy thingy has a nice feature where you can cut the old cord off, the old plug. So I'm going to stick it in here. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Cut. That didn't work. I got to do this, put the camera down. Okay, I've cut the old one off and stripped the new connector. Got it ready. Want to make sure they're all even. They're pretty even. And when you install the new jack, you want to make sure it's the same as the old. So lay the new one in the same position as the old one, and just make sure that the colors are on the right side. This light is kind of blinding the camera, but basically you want to make sure that the red is on the same side as the red on the old one. And then you just simply slide this on, put it in the crimping tool, and squeeze it. And that's it. Plug is securely attached. Wires look like they're in there good. Grab our splitter, wherever the hell we put that. Found it. Plug it in. Plug the one phone in. I'm going to plug the other phone in. And the next part is make sure they're firmly in there. And then just go and test the phone, see if it works.
I started looking at the numbers. I thought it would be huge.
Okay, it works.